a beautiful Crust Nor'Easter build for Ben. We got wheels from Crust. I'm gonna set up tubeless. Got some Robusto Cavas, Ultra Dynamico, Deore V brakes, Shimano Qs, 1x, Brooks saddle, some chunky grips, Velo Orange headset, and then he also picked up the Harvey Mushman bar from Crust. Yeah, this thing should be pretty sweet. So yeah, let's get to it. Oh, and he also got this nice Nitto 65 seat post. Alright, so I have these SKS Fenders that I have to install on this guy. And that's going to be kind of boring, so just going to snap and then we'll be there. Alright, so I came in next day and started working, and then, forgot to start filming, but little updates there. Guitar, fenders installed, chain installed, got everything sipped and nice, brakes set up. All I have left to do is trim these guys, and I got a Brooks saddle to put on here, and then she's done. What do you think, babe? What do you think? Alright, so I use this Hobo Freight little Dremel tool with a cutoff wheel, and my trusty Park Tool aluminum ruler. So I put the ruler in between the stay and the fender, and use that as basically a heat shield, because this heats up and will just melt into the fender. So I'll just kind of do a little here, let it sit, cool down, and then move to this one. last things last. Alright. We're all done. Really happy with how this thing came out. Thanks to Ben for coming to me with a cool build. He's purchased 2 used bikes from the shop before and then decided to build up Crust. Really sweet. Jules. Till next time.